Well, because I have no friends, I would just randomly pick a card from the deck. Remember this card. Cool. If you have watched Spy Family before, you probably know that Anya from the show has psychic abilities and can read people's mind. So do me a favor, think of the card that I just showed you. If you didn't try to trick her, she should have read your mind correctly. Before we start, you can download the modified animation in the description below. After that, just create a new album with the 2 files that you downloaded. Make sure the black photo is in front of the animation. The mechanics of this card trick is pretty basic. First, we click into the black photo. Wait until the UI disappears. And swipe left when it's ready to be reviewed. Besides, I also suggest updating the setting by going to the display and brightness and change the auto lock to 5 minutes. And voila, the preparation is completed. To perform the card trick is very simple. All you need to do is to force a card. For beginner, I recommend the Riffle Force. The first thing to do is to place the card you want to force on top. For me, it's the 9 of Hearts. Cut about half the playing cards from your right hand to your left hand like this. While completing the cut, you can use your pinky finger to maintain a break over the selection like this. And then just riffle through with your thumb while asking your spectator to say stop at any time they want. So no matter when they say stop, just lift up everything from the break like this, and let them take the card. And now, you have successfully forced a card. Quick tips, try to slow down riffling when close to the selection such that it doesn't look very odd when you lift up the cards from the break. You can also add some force shuffle to make it more convincing, like riffle shuffle and overhand shuffle, while keeping the top card unchanged. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.